Bush Baby is feeling creative today. What should he do?
Bubble?
A puzzle? What a great idea!
Wow! Bad! Wow!
A picture like that will make a great puzzle. Do you think you can copy that picture?
Oh, yeah!
Okay, Bush Baby. This won't be easy. You have to focus really hard. Oh, wow! You're an amazing artist. Incredible. Do you want to color your picture before making a puzzle out of it? Good job! It looks amazing. Do you think you can put that picture back together, Bush Baby?
Duh.
Let's start with the top, shall we?
Oh. We
No!
That's okay, Bush Baby. Let's try again. What usually goes on top?
Yes!
That's right. The head is usually on top. What's next? Exactly, Bush Baby. Almost done. I think you know how to continue. Sure, that works. Wow, that looks great. Only one piece left. Bush Baby, I think you know how to do this. I'd almost forgotten what a lovely picture it was. It looks great.
Bye-bye.
Did you like this video and want to watch more? Yeah! Subscribe to get exclusive access to premium content and more. Only in the Ubongo Playroom. Free for download today.